Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do you guys an unboxing of my rabbit snails. I won an auction on Aquabid, and it just got here today, Thursday, and it was supposed to send out 2 weeks ago, but due to the weather and such, she couldn't get it out, so she finally shipped it out this week because it was good weather. Then we have like high 30s today, or like Monday and Tuesday, so it was good to ship them out. And she said she put some extra stuff in here because I waited so long for it. So we're gonna go ahead and start opening the box. Oh, it's wrapped pretty good here. It's about 8 degrees today this morning, so a little bit chilly today. It's a good thing she sent it this week, because it's supposed to get a little bit colder this next few days. So here it is. Here's the heat pack. It's cold now. It's been more than 3 days, so it's pretty sure this thing's gone already. Newspaper. And they're in here. We'll slowly unwrap them here. So here we go. Newspaper, paper towel actually. Okay, I'm going to unwrap this and get them ready. Okay, so I poured them into the bucket here, and they seem to be all moving now. And I'm going to do the drip method and get them all warmed up and ready to go. Very, very happy. She did give me some surprise, and it was some extra rabbit snails. I was supposed to get 8, and I got 12, so I got 4 extras. Very nice. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna put them in a tank, and they will hopefully grow up for me. They're still pretty small size.